And 680 News senior business editor Mike Eppel had another record-breaking day on the Canadian financial markets today. The TSX, the benchmark on Bay, hit a record high for the fifth time in the past 6 trading sessions. It's now up by about 17% year to date. Most recently, we've seen lots of strength in the gold stocks, the bank shares, the telecom companies. They've all been climbing here, along with the energy-related stocks, as the price for oil, of course, has seen tremendous volatility over the course of this week. Global interest rates, though, are coming down. Just yesterday, the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rates another 0.25%. Today, the Bank of England stayed on the sidelines. They're going to wait to see the fallout from the Brexit ongoing debate there. And a warning from the Organization for Economic Development and Cooperation out of Paris. This is a global think tank that does forecasts on the world and specific national economies. Globally, they're thinking things are slowing down at the slowest pace we've seen since the financial crisis, with the overhang of U.S.-China trade issues to 2.9% for the world. And for Canada, 1.6% is the new economic growth forecast for next year, and that is down quite dramatically from the 2% in their previous guidance. So we'll see how that factors in, again, to monetary policy. Massive buyback announcement for Microsoft. This money-making giant, the biggest in the software industry, is paying back big time to shareholders, announcing a dividend increase of 10% and a $40 billion stock buyback. Now, keep in mind, Microsoft is already at a record high for its share price. The company now worth well over $1 trillion. And we saw today, or actually over the past 12 months, the highs and lows of investing in the cannabis industry. Today marked the one-year anniversary of the day that Tilray, BC-based cannabis producer, hit a record high on Wall Street, $300 per share U.S. Today, hovering at around $30 per share U.S. Investors and analysts are saying this shows how momentum can sometimes build stocks up to peak levels even before these companies are reporting full earnings. Many of the cannabis producers have so far been money losers, and the overhang of the breach at CanTrust in that cannabis sector also a negative trend for the overall industry. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.